In this video, we will show setup and usage of your Onyx workplace sanitizing machine. First, take out the machine from the box. Then fix hanging strap by clipping it to the machine. Mix half liter silver hydrogen peroxide and 4.5 liter water. Open the knob of the machine and pour 5 liter of mixed compound. Never fill more than 5 liter compound and make sure this air pipe is floating above the water. It should never be submerged inside the water. Stiffly close the knob, otherwise it will start overflowing or leaking. Overfilling might result to motor damage. Tilt the machine to check if compound is not overfilled. If leaking, then take out some disinfectant compound. If the air filter is wet, let it dry before using the machine. Thereafter connect plug to an electrical socket. Hang the machine across the body, as shown in video. Recommended mist speed and droplet size is already preset in the machine. Never rotate this part. This is the correct position of this adjuster. This is the wrong position. Operation of machine in wrong position might heat the motor. Switch on to activate the machine. Disinfect workplace in this way. Keep machine at least 1 meter above the floor and 2 meters away from any object. After completion of disinfection process, please drain out residual compound from the machine and rinse the container with water and use the machine for 30 seconds with plain water, so that all chemical is cleaned from the nozzle. The plug and keep the machine in safe place and avoid any exposure to direct sunlight.